If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. I am an adorable feathered creature on this earth. My feathers are blue, green and golden. I love to dance in the rain. Can you all guess who am I? Yes, I am a peacock. In the year 1963, I was declared as the national bird of India. No other country asked me as their national bird. I was entirely apart from the Indian custom and culture. I am the symbol of grace and beauty. Thank you. Wish you all a 75th Independence Day.